But why I'm covering even only few batches got these questions. The point is, guys, it is whenever you are in an interview ask a question, interviewer ask a question, you must give answer. So then we have to know max to max information, maximum information. What is an outlet? What is Office 365? What is VPN? Okay. What is cloud computing? So at least what is your system configuration? Anything. Max to max. What is AI? What is generative AI? What is agentic AI agents? Okay. What is a agentic AI? Okay. Now AI era, right? So AI questions also can be there. What is generative AI? So how often you use ChatGPT? Okay. So do you know how to use a Gemini? Okay. So what is the purpose? What are the things in regularly, daily, different purposes? So what are the different purposes you use AI? Okay. In your daily life. Okay. In organization, how the AI is very useful. Okay. But there is a hypothetical question. So how AI is overtake human? Is AI is going to take AI jobs? AI is going to steal our jobs in the future? So like a different. So there's analytical questions also that even that is also a question asked in a previous batch interviews. Okay. Like that. So recently, just morning only, I've seen one post that is Amazon faced an issue from Amazon AI tools only. Okay. Amazon crashed for 10 minutes. Okay. Mhm. Like a different kind of stuff. So different kind of stuff is there. So like so different. What is LLM? Large language models. What is LLM? Nowadays, so one popular tool came that is AI agentic tool that is N8N. Okay. What is N8N? Like that. Depends. So open your mind, guys. Go through different YouTube channels. So a lot of material is there. So other than your unnecessary, a lot of nonsense information also there, but lot of useful information is there. Different languages, information available, English, Telugu, Hindi, Marathi, lot of different languages. Okay, information is available. Just explore those things. So then you will understand what is the current information. Instead of something it is there, some what is really in a really just working thing, that stuff. Different good channels also available to give proper information. That's all. This is one channel like this guy. I'm not promoting anything, just but his explanation is good. Even I like that the way he's explained. People who want to learn DevOps, okay, zero to hero, this AWS, Azure, these are most common, even Python. Most of the part is concentrating on that one. Even AI based some few courses. Okay. This one, execute automation. So also you want to learn anything like a Jenkins, okay? Um, Automation related, what we say, Jenkins, Marvin, testing. This is also very good channel. Okay. A lot of people, so uh, keep an expert. Yeah, we'll come back to ours is Office 365. The what actual name is Microsoft Office 365. The name changed to Microsoft 365. What Microsoft done, it is first they started Office 365 for online office tools. Like we are using Google Docs. Similarly, in Microsoft Office, office tools we can able to access through online, through internet. Okay, simple subscription based one only, monthly or yearly subscription. You have to take it and use it. So later, organization, business purpose, enterprise purpose. Office 365 is expanded. And parallelly, Microsoft 365 also started. Now both are combined. Now it is single Microsoft 365. Everything is belongs to Microsoft. Okay. Now this Microsoft 365 is formerly Microsoft Office 365. It is a cloud-based service, software as a service. Okay, so no need to install or configure kind of stuff. Okay, simple. It's available. Take a subscription and start using. Okay, that's a software as a service. So Microsoft 365, formerly Microsoft Office 365, cloud-based service, software as a service. It is a subscription model, monthly or yearly subscription. You can use it for as long as you want to use. Later, you can cancel it. You can cancel the subscription anytime. So, main Microsoft 365 is a Microsoft Office suite. So, you will get Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive application, plus for business or enterprises purpose, other tools also there, Microsoft Teams, Exchange, SharePoint, and so many other tools also available. Okay. And Microsoft Office applications you can access online. Through web browser, you can access Microsoft Office tools. Like you can access Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, the SharePoint data, everything you can able to access through online, through web browser. And also offline. It is also provided offline tools, means desktop applications, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive. These are desktop applications are available. Mobile applications also available. Both online and offline access is available. Access your Office apps from anywhere, anytime, any device. Anywhere. From any device, you can able to access. Anytime you can able to access. Because this is cloud-based service. You can access through internet. Just you need to connect it to internet. Then you can access simple. Okay. Any device means you are using Microsoft Windows, of course, both Microsoft Windows, Mac OSs, both desktop applications are there. Online browser access also possible. For desktop application, you don't require internet. For through accessing through web browser, you need internet. Simple. If you have an internet through web browser, you can access. For example, you use Linux-based operating system. The desktop application not support Linux, but you can access through web browser. Okay. So that's it is any device, anywhere. You can access from your system or any system, you can able to access, just you have to log into Microsoft. Okay. Even from mobile phone also, mobile, Microsoft Office 365. Our application means Word, Excel, PowerPoint, these are all available through your mobile phone. So from mobile phone also you can access it. Okay. So that is continuous updates means as long as you are carrying subscription, you will continuously receive updates. New features are introduced. For example, earlier Office 365 do not have Copilot. Now newer versions are integrated with a Copilot. Just for example, certain new features are introduced. That new features automatically you will get it. No need to purchase new version because you are already running version itself is a without any payment extra. So you will get that features automatically. Okay. And it is support run on iOS means in your Apple mobile phone also it works, Android mobiles one it works, your Windows desktop systems also it works, Mac operating system, Apple laptop also directly it will works. And if it is unsupported OS for a desktop application or mobile application, then you can use web browser. Through web browser also you can able to access. So this is about Office 365. Again, what is Office 365? It is also known as, sorry, what is Microsoft 365? It is also known as Office 365. Both are same. It is cloud-based service, software as a service. Subscription model, monthly or yearly subscription you are taking. You can cancel the subscription anytime. It provides Microsoft Office suite tools, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive. And for organizations like a business or enterprises purpose, there is an organization applications also will provide like a Microsoft Teams, Exchange, SharePoint, and stuff. We can access Microsoft Office apps online, web browsers, offline with the desktop applications and mobile application also. You can access Microsoft Office, your Office 365 anytime, anywhere, any device. And always support is available from the Microsoft. Continuous updates. New features are automatically added to your current existing subscription. Okay, it will work for the different platforms. In mobile, Android platforms, mobile applications are available. In iPhone, mobile applications are available. Mobile apps wise, Windows systems and Mac OS is also desktop applications are available. So this is the Office 365 or a Microsoft 365. Guys understand what it is? What is the answer you have to tell? Okay. Got that? Got the point or not? Okay, understandable. Yeah. Honestly speaking.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, good. So there is a other Microsoft Office suite is also there. Okay. So earlier we used it. Now also we are using it. What is that? Microsoft Office 2007, 2003, 2010, 2013, 2016, 2019, 2021, 2024. So these are the Microsoft Offices. It is offline. Desktop applications are available. Directly it is offline. You have to install into your system. Your system, you have to install that Microsoft Office. So you'll get a Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Microsoft Access, Publisher, OneNote. These are all, we'll get it through this suite. Okay. Microsoft Office suite. It's offline. It is one-time purchase. No need to pay monthly or yearly. Once you purchase, you can use it for as long as you want to use it. Okay. It is one PC, one Mac. Means it support your Microsoft Windows as well as Mac web. Mac also supporting. Okay. MacBooks also support this Microsoft Office. Okay. But version means the application coding is different. But this Microsoft Office available for desktop versions are means or Microsoft OS versions are available. Mac OS related packages also available. So one PC or one Mac only, we can one license, one system, one user type things, one license. You take one license and you buy a product, you got a license, that license for one system only. Okay. One time purchase. Once you purchase, no need to pay monthly or yearly kind of stuff. Limited time paid for free and paid support. So initially first 60 days, free support is available from the Microsoft. After that one, paid support is available. attends certain period of time, means after 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, the paid support is also going to be stopped. For example, now you are having a Office 2019. That complete updates are stopped, even critical updates, security updates also. Now it is stopped. If you purchase Office 21, maybe paid support is available. Okay. If you purchase Office 24, maybe there is updates are available, security updates, feature-based updates are available. Okay. Support is become paid support automatically. Once you are free support time period is completed, then it will go to the paid support. Okay. Very older versions, even paid support is also not available. Even updates also not available. Any new features are introduced. So for example, Office 2021. So there is certain features are there in 2024, a new kind of features introduced in 2024. You want 2024 features in 2021? No, it's not possible. So you have to purchase new versions if you require that new version features. Okay. So that is thing. Updates are limited period of time, certain period of time that updates will have stopped. Even updates are different types of updates. Future-based updates, application updates, critical updates, patch updates, okay, hot fixes, security updates. So it's for different types of updates are there. So initially, so all updates are there. Like all type of updates will updated. So later slowly product-based updates will be stopped. So only last is a critical array security updates. That is also going to be stopped in a certain period of time. Okay. As I said, 2019, if still we are using that updates are not available right now. Okay. So this is about your Office. So what is the advantage and disadvantage of using just Microsoft Office, offline Office to Microsoft 365? So what is the advantages and disadvantages? Here it is, your offline office. So one time purchase. Once you purchase, no need to pay monthly or yearly kind of stuff. Okay, one PC, one Mac. Okay, means one system you install, in that system only you got license, you put a license key. It means only in that system only you can able to use it. Not anytime, anywhere, you can't able to use it. But in Office 365, you can access your office from anytime, anywhere. Even you go to some place and you, an internet cafe, also you can access your own Microsoft Office. From other system also, someone's system also you can able to access your office. Simply log in to your Microsoft Office with your email account and password. But this is only in that system only you can access your own Microsoft Office. Okay. And that application also available only offline mode only. So it's not like, yeah, that's the same point. No OneDrive support in a of this offline office. OneDrive, you are not getting that OneDrive. But in a Microsoft 365, the OneDrive, which is a personal cloud storage, provide up to 1 TB of OneDrive space from Microsoft 365. 1 TB of OneDrive space you are getting. When in this, you don't get any OneDrive. OneDrive you got it, but limited space only you are getting. Okay, maybe a 7 GB or 5 GB you are getting. That's it. Thank you. And on Microsoft 365, so continuous updates, always support is available. Any new features introduced, automatically it's going to be adapted into Office 365. In our offline Office suite, it is limited period of free support is there. Let it is paid support up to certain period of time only. The continuous initially you got all updates, but later the updates also will going to be stopped in the future. Okay, slowly it will stop. Any new features are introduced, then you have to purchase a new version if required, if you require that new features inside. Okay, so these are the differences between regular Office to Office 365. So which one you have to take it depends upon your planning. Okay, got the point, guys? What's the difference between our offline Office to Office 365? In Microsoft 365 or Office 365, different editions are purpose is there, like for home, businesses, enterprises, like that. So different models are available, different subscription models are available. So we can able to check it and compare it also. So you can take this link, open, or you can directly put it in a Google part, Microsoft Office 365, there, product comparison. So earlier we have a home, now it is changed to for individuals. Okay. Recently, from almost like last 6 months, it is changed for individual, for business kind of stuff. This is individual, like for your personal purpose. Okay. For your purpose or your family purpose. This is 365 personal. So in my document, so there is a personal with certain cost is there, but this is changed. Okay. Only two are there earlier, only personal and family. Now in the individual, personal, family, premium kind of stuff also there. Okay. So again, the cost is also changed. That's the whole data, but concept is same only. Okay. Base core idea is same. Only the cost wise, it's little bit different. Earlier that is 4899, it is 6899 per personal for 1 year price. You can pay monthly or yearly. If you pay yearly, you got little lesser cost. Okay. This is only for one person, but that person can use this Microsoft Office from 5 devices at once. Okay. From his laptop, from his tablet, from his mobile phone, like that 5 devices he can able to log in at a time. You can access from his PC, Mac, phone, tablets kind of stuff. 1 terabyte of cloud storage they are getting. Productivity apps with the Microsoft Copilot is integrated. Okay. A higher user free of selected Copilot features. Certain selected Copilot features are free. Okay, they're like this. Video editor, 4K export, bandwidth, filters, effects, data and device security, all day video streaming, and Copilot in Teams. Okay, so they are getting Copilot, of course, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, 1 terabyte of OneDrive space, Microsoft Defender, Teams also they are getting now here, Microsoft Designers, Clipchamp. Clipchamp is like a video editor type. Okay, designer like your Canva. Okay, so this is the thing. Family editions for 1 to 6 people. This family, so once you taken this family, it means 6 members can able to use, up to 6 members can able to use this subscription. Okay. So each person can able to log into the 5 devices simultaneously. Each person getting 1 terabyte, totally 6 terabyte of storage. So each person individually getting 1 terabyte data space. And the remaining are same as this as a personal. Okay. Personal means one user, 5 devices, 1 terabyte of storage. Family means 6 users, up to 6 users, each user getting 1 terabyte of storage space, and each user can log into 5 devices. Remaining Copilot, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, Defender, Teams, Designer, and Clipchamp, and some other things. A for subscription, Warner only. A subscription means Copilot subscription is for only the Warner, means you taken this package. So you are a Warner. So you are logging with your email account and you are a Warner. Then you can add remaining 5 members. You are the one person and you can add 5 more people, and all remaining, all total 6 members will getting 1 terabyte of storage space. Okay. So with their email ID accounts, they can able to log into Microsoft Office. But you are controlling everyone who are other 5 members. Okay. And as a owner, you'll get AI tools, remaining you don't get it. Like designers, this Copilot kind of stuff. So premium, this is newly introduced in premium version. Extensive usage of selected Copilot features. You need more Copilot features. Means the AI generic AI Copilot is more important and for your organization for your working purpose. Okay, then we can go with the premium version. It's very costly also. Access to Copilot is currently exclusive to premium. Extensive use to create and edit AI image. Okay, so you can pay monthly. You can also see in the bottom. So what are these kind of tools? Okay. And there is a other comparison. You can see Office Home 2024. One time purchase, one PC. So cost is 10,999. Plus GST is there, guys. Don't forget. For everything, there is a GST is there. Okay. Plus GST. So once you pay this one, no need to pay like yearly like this. For example, you use it Office 2024 for a 3 years. So you paid for 3 years is 11,000, around 11,000, right? But if you take this one, you are using for a 3 years. Check the cost. Okay, check the cost. It is 6,900. Okay, around 3 years means 18, 19,000. It's generally it is 19, around 19 to 20,000 in between. Okay, so 900 is also, 900 into 3. How much it is? 24, okay, right? So 18, 24 years, of course, we crossed that 20,000 also. See, this is 3 years. If you are using this price, it is 20,000. This is 3 years you are using, it's 11,000 only. 4 years you are using, this is 11,000. Okay, 5 years you are using 11,000. But this is every year you have to pay this amount. But there is a lot of differences. Okay, this is one PC, one Mac system, one PC, one user type system only. Only desktop applications only. But this is online, offline, anytime, anywhere you can able to access that one. Number of accounts, one. Okay. Google Drive, see, storage space. Cloud storage spaces, you are getting here 1 terabyte, here nothing. Uses for selected Copilot, nothing. Access to Copilot features, nothing. Multiple device platform, not supported. Apps with the Microsoft, not it. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, we are getting. Even Outlook, because it is a home, Outlook is not there. Designer is not there. So see Defender, these features you won't get it. But you don't want anything. Just you need a Word, Excel, PowerPoint. That's enough for your system. You purchase a new laptop. You don't worry about it. So you are going to use it for 5 years, next 5 years. You don't want to pay every year kind of stuff, or you don't want any OneDrive or anything. So then you'll go for the one-time purchase. You want more flexibility, more cloud storages, more data securities. Okay, that kind of stuff required. Then you will go to Office 365 personally. But most of the people, they don't go to Office 365 for personal purpose. We'll go into Office 365 organizations because organizations get more flexible features, more better features than the installing into their data centers. Okay, we'll see that one later. Office, home or business 2024 one-time purchase. Classic desktop versions, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote. This because it's a business. Access to access to support resources. Click more and you got the more information. These are also what is a Clipchamp, what is Defender. What if I not paid, then all these questions also available. So this is your individual users, means personal or family users. Okay. Personal purpose for my system, for my own system purpose kind of stuff. My own usage purpose. That is for individual. Okay, guys, understand? This is for a business. In the business, when I click on the business, I got business, individual, enterprise also. Business and enterprise. Enterprise having more and more features. Okay. So this is right now business. Earlier, we have a multiple business options, at least 4, 5 are there. Now it is showing only 3 in my document. Where is my document? So for a business, business basics, business standard, where is business standard? Business basics, apps for business is that this is business standard. That is apps for business, business premium. So 4 are there earlier. And their cost is also, you can see monthly and yearly cost also. This is monthly, but yearly pricing this also. But now only 3, premium, standard, basic. Okay. So save 35% when you add a co-pilot. Okay. So premium, first we'll go with the basic and then go to the standard and premium. What is the basic? Yeah. Okay. You can pay monthly. You can pay yearly also. Okay. So if you are paying monthly per month, it is 174 rupees per user per month. Means in your organization, it is for organizations. So in your organization, 50 members are there or 100 members are there. 174 into 100 you have to pay per month. For if you take per year, so per month, how much you have to pay? 145 into 100 for 100 users per month you have to pay, but you have to combine totally per year. Means 12 into 100 into 145 you have to pay for a 1 year purpose. Okay. It is lightweight web and mobile apps for kickstart your business. So I'm starting my business. Most of the time I'm using Office through web browser and mobile phones. I don't need a desktop applications. Then I will go for this one. This is not having Office 365 desktop applications are not there. Desktop applications not there in the basics. Okay, only for web access, online web access or mobile applications only. Okay, and you are getting like a identity and access managed up to 300 users. So in your organization, you have 100, 200, 300 users. You can go to the basics now. Web and mobile versions, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, you will get it. Each user getting 1 terabyte of storages. Okay. Web version and mobile version of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. And custom business email. This is your for enterprise. You get it. That point I said now. Custom business email means exchange. Normally, for your organization, you need a mail, your organization mail communication at the rate yourcompany.com, at the rate savandis.com. How to get the at the rate savandis.com? So I need a email server is required. So I have to purchase a server, physical server, then install a server operating system, install Microsoft Exchange application, then configure it and it become mail server. Again, I have to connect with the public connectivity and public transporting connectivities and because not only within the organization, right? I have to communicate outside of the organization. From outside also, I have to receive the mails. Okay. So then the entire configuration is very complex. Okay. That too, I started just a business. So you already learned the cloud computing. So instead of putting all the infrastructure, operating system, their licenses, application, their licenses, configurations, Okay, management, operating, these are a big headache for an organization. So simply Office 365. That's why for business, Office 365 is a more flexible. Okay. So simply go to the Office 365 as an administrator. Administrator log into Office 365. Okay. We'll go to the Exchange options. Go to the Microsoft Exchange in it and create a mail account for their employees. 100 employees are there. 100 mail accounts were created. Password is generated. They share the account and password to the users so they can start using mails. Within a one day, it is completed. In 1 or 2 days, it is completely start up and running, including testing also. Okay. You don't need to purchase any hardware, no need to purchase OS, applications, settings, IP address. All these things are not required. Simply you go and started giving your organization name, your domain name, organization name, your employees' names, email ID is generated, password is generated, take it and share it to your employees. That's it. Okay. Chat, call, meet with the Microsoft Teams. So of course, I'm using Microsoft Teams because Office 365. 1 TB of cloud storage for each user. 10 plus additional apps for your business, including Microsoft Booking, Planner, and Forms. AI chat experience web gardening, grounding, web grounding, writing assistance, data analysis, access to agents. And small basic AI support like chat GPT, this what is this Copilot basics and support. Automatic spam and malware filtering, anytime phone and web support is available. So you got Word, Excel, PowerPoint. What is this? OneNote. OneNote is offline tool only. Okay, Outlook, Exchange, Teams, OneDrive. What is this? SharePoint. This SharePoint services also we are getting through Office 365. So this is my Office 365 OneDrive it is. Okay, this is I log into my web browser. Okay, why it is not blinking? The Outlook, Office 365 Corporate, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, SharePoint, Viva, Engage, Bookings, Power Automate. Of course, not everything is free. Okay, this is my Office 365. Simply login if I want to access the Word or I want to create Excel, like that I can able to do anything from here. Okay, these are all applications available, so then I can able to do it. Okay, some are free with it for limited period time, some are you have to pay if in case you want to access more. Next, standard. What's the difference between standard and basic? Standard and basic differences. Standard and basic differences. In a standard, you will get a desktop apps also. In a basic, only web and mobile apps are available. Through web, you can access. From mobile application support is there. But in a standard, desktop application support is also there. Means through some people are habituated use on the desktop. Like on desktop, I'm using this one, right? This is desktop Word application. Okay, online also I can use same thing. Word. Where is this word? Yeah. This is I'm accessing through internet. Okay, so from web browser, I'm accessing it. I can create a document. I can access my existing documents through my OneDrive. In OneDrive, I have a lot of documents. So I will go to OneDrive. I can create a document. The OneDrive I will already open. This is the OneDrive, right? Go to home. Okay. Same document I'm opening from here because both are in the same OneDrive. See? Through web browser, I can edit it, I can forward it, I can change. Right? I can share it from here also to my organizational uses because it's in the OneDrive and it is controlled by SharePoint. I can share the information through SharePoint. What is SharePoint? For my organization, I want to create a one blogger, an invitation, or a meeting, or a project details, or project related data. I want to keep it one place and I want to share it from place. That is a SharePoint. We'll use it within an organization only, not for others. It is same as basic, but in a standard, you are getting desktop applications also. Business premium, business premium. In the premium, you got everything from the standard plus some additional tools are there. See this additional things. For example, this is purview. This is defender. Okay. Intunes, Windows 11, Entra ID services, editor, SharePoint, OneDrive, like that, extra loops. Okay. There is a additional features also introduced, including loops, chipchamp, booking, planner, forms, like that. So different kind of enhanced cyber security protection like the virus and phishing attacks like that. So there's some additional features are available in the premium. Okay. This is enterprise. So individual, business, enterprise. Enterprise also for organizations purpose. Here it is E3, E5, F3 like that. Different editions also there. Okay. F3 is a small one. So see this is a F3. Okay. This is for a business purpose only. But it's see the cost is also 665 rupees per month per user. 2 GB of cloud storage per user, small one. Enterprise level means very big organization, so many users are there. In a business, only limit is 300. When enterprises, more than 300 users are there, you have to go for enterprise planning. So unlimited users. In business, 300 users only. Here it is unlimited users. Mobile, web, mobile versions of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, 2 GB of cloud storage, not getting 1 terabyte. 2 GB only we are getting here in this F3. Calls, video, conference, Teams, centralized server collaboration, productivity, collaborations and productivity. Some other features also available. Okay. This is without audio conference. Okay, E5. So this is the actually highest one, E5. So this is also unlimited. You will get a XDR, means security enhancement related, security integrated one it is. Like cyber security related tool it is. Okay, scalable business analytics with Power BI. Power BI is also we are getting from it. Okay, so other features we are getting. Okay, Power BI, Power Automate, Power Apps, like that we are getting. This is E3. E3 is little lesser than E5 features, but you are getting 1 terabyte of uh, storages, desktop, web, mobile version of applications, okay, unified end user management, productivity like Intunes, kind of stuff you are getting here. Okay, so enterprise. There is a comparison list is also there. Comparison PDF list is also there. If you go to that full comparison table, download it, okay, then you can get, so what kind of package you have taken, what features you are getting. Office, Microsoft 365, Office is enterprise mobility and security, Windows 11 subscriptions, see, different subscriptions, PDF, you get. If you check that one, you will get headache now. Okay. These are, so, granular comparisons. Okay. This is very less, 2 terabyte. Okay. What features we are getting? Okay. So Office 365 for individuals, business, and enterprise purpose are available. Different packages, subscription models are there. So depends upon the requirement. For your purpose, individual will go for it. For your business purpose, who is less than 300 users in your business, then we'll go for the business editions. If you have more than 300, like you 500, 600 unlimited users, then you have to go for a enterprise editions. So different subscription model get a different kind of features. Okay, that's a Office 360. Insurance. This is one of the common feature. Insurance, through that one, we can able to do control our organizations, laptops, and their mobile phones, what applications are installed, what applications should be updated, what applications should not be there, like that, we can able to control it. Okay, through insurance. Protect your business data on all of your organization's devices. Your organization, entire your enterprise, lot of people working, and people are working. When they are working, they have to use organization laptops and organization mobile phones. In that cases, what data is there inside? So they take a backup of the data, secure the data from unauthorized accesses. What applications they are using? Okay, what application need to be updated? So all these things are controlled by insurance only. Azure information protection, exchanges, SharePoints, Access, Publisher, Outlook, OneDrive. From here onwards, I put certain questions because all these questions I gather from Microsoft Learning Set. When I'm learning about the first basic, what is Office 365. So that time, so I finished the part and I got the questions. Two parts are there. So these questions I gathered from there only. The green color represents correct answer. Okay. Again, where is my Office 365 lines? This is our OneDrive directly. Um, this is a SharePoint. I created this one group. So in this group, I posted certain posters like this. So simply it is a post for information exchange purpose. I created this one. New post I created. Cloud types, cloud service model, public service providers. Okay, cloud domain AWS. Okay, like that. And who can able to access it? I add those members also. Add those members who can able to access. So who can able to modify? Owner can able to modify, remaining people can able to view, but they can't able to modify. So we created a different pages or post inside of this one. We can share the data also inside. For example, this is partial DSC. So I put that link information in this. What is a partial DSC? What is DevOps? Like that. I created different posting. Even I created a site also, site content. Yeah, this is a DevOps notes I created. Okay, and I shared it so people can able to view that information. Okay, so like that. For example, new project. I created a new post or new page I created. Okay, for my project related information I kept it. What is the project status? What is the project related discussion? Project required documents. So everything I will keep it one place and add all my project team members in it. So they can able to get that information from one location only. So this is what it is. SharePoint it is. Okay. SharePoint it is. Then what is Exchange? Exchange is a mail services. Exchange is a mail services. So directly I go to Exchange. I can't go because I'm not admin, I'm a user. So I can't get that exchange options here. Okay. So in exchange, I can put an email like a new employees join. Or no need to wait and where is the server, how to log in, not required. Go to Office 365, go to Exchange option. If I'm an administrator, I go to the Exchange place. I create an account. That's it. I give a user information details. If the account is created, email account is created, I will give the email account. Even Active Directory. In Active Directory, we have to install the physical server, install the server operating system, and configure it as a domain controller. Now it is not required because from Office 365, you are getting Azure AD services or nowadays Entra ID services. In Exchange, we can link this Entra ID services. So you can create both same to same, means user login and their email IDs also you can create it here. So it reduces whole infrastructure burden on for organizations. Okay. So this is about your Office 365. Guys, understand what is Office 365? Mhm. Take a small break, guys. Okay.